Now I know it's been a really long time since you've seen me, but just giving you an update. I am still getting bikes in. We got the A8 Pro Max by Anioki in today, and I got 3 more coming. And then I got all my other bikes here, as you can see. And we're still organizing. If you guys didn't know, I moved. We bought a house. I needed more space. We just have space for the Tesla, but all my bikes are here. Some bikes that you haven't even seen. We got the Ingwe M20 dual battery, the EUI bike S4. All my Ariel riders are still here, of course. My Robo cycle, the G-Force I still have to do a video on. The Truxus Explorer, I'm almost done with the video, and then I have a scooter over there that I'll show you soon. But this is a interesting bike with a 60 amp hour battery. It's supposed to get up to 200-mile range on pedal assist and 100-mile range on throttle only. And then we have my favorite bike, which is pretty much dead, but we're gonna go for a quick ride down the road. Got the Grizzly. So I just wanted to do a quick video since it's been a couple months since I've put anything out, and that's because I've been working on this. We have a little over 2,400 square foot and lots of room. That doesn't include the garage, so probably more than that. I'll show you around, show you what our house looked like during the process of moving, and we got a lot of exciting things coming on the channel, as well as lots of e-bike reviews, lots of videos in general. I have a lot more room to do stuff. I still have to clean it up a little bit, but we're getting there, and can't wait to show you what's coming. I got 4 bikes on the way, 3 more I guess, but probably more than that actually. I got a trike. I got the Ride 1 Up Rev 1 coming, the full suspension one. I'm really excited about that one, and a couple others you'll see in the near future. But we'll get all this situated. I do have these new tires I haven't shown you guys yet, and these are 4.8 inch wide V-Tire E-Huntsman. These are not out yet. They haven't been released. I will be installing these probably on the Rev 1. We'll see. Either the Rev 1 or the Grizzly. I don't know yet. But the Rev 1 should be here shortly. As well as I'm getting a trike, pink trike at that, for my wife, so she can ride around the neighborhood. But I'm just going to take you around and show you. I don't have my GoPro charged, but I lost the I lost my microphone for it. It's somewhere in this garage, I think. When my Grizzly fell over, it didn't land on the ground luckily, but my wife accidentally knocked it over, and it knocked my helmet over, and then I lost the mic somewhere, so it's around here. So I can't ride around with my GoPro right now, so the audio is probably not going to be the greatest, but I got my other cameras with me, my drones, some stuff you haven't even seen yet that I bought the last couple of months. So yeah, this is just going to be a really quick update. I'm going to drive around and show you a couple things. So here we go. Our lake, you can actually drive all the way around it, and then there's another like river over to the left over here. That's kind of cool. Kind of a neat little place to ride around in. Somebody goes around here and clears it up, so there's a little path. So you'll be seeing this one in a lot of my videos, just because it's a nice little off-road spot. Not super hard off-road, but good enough. Now, I haven't been all the way around the lake, so let's see how that goes. This will be a good spot to film some videos though. It's really quiet, nobody comes back here hardly. And today is a beautiful day. It's like 70s, 80s, something like that. I may have to come back here and do a little tree trimming myself. Alright. This goes all the way around to the other side, and then there's an exit somewhere over here. I haven't been this far though, but this comes up right in between two houses right here, which is pretty cool. I like playing basketball. Alright, we're in the new place. It is a little messy right now. We're still unpacking and stuff, but we got everything kind of put away, except for the counter, of course. We are sorting through stuff. A lot of this stuff has to go up above the cabinets. I still haven't done it. Several other odds and ends. And lots of boxes that need to be unboxed still. We got quite a bit done. We got the garage sort of empty. We have this side needs to be organized. This side is all bikes that needs to be organized. Washer and dryers in, thanks to my sister-in-law and brother-in-law for the washer and dryer. More boxes. Our living room is completely full. I'll show you our master. It's also a little messy. Kind of hard to see in here. But here's our master bathroom. We got a big walk-in closet. So here's that. We're still working on this, as you can see. We just moved in this weekend. Here's the guest bathroom. This leads to downstairs. I'll take you down there in a little bit. Here's the living room. Still got a lot to go through. Here's all of our Christmas stuff. We're gonna go upstairs. This is where the offices are. We currently have the water shut off because the shower messed up last night. It wouldn't shut off, so I had to shut the water off. Currently in the process of repairing this. Gotta go to Home Depot when the wife gets home. But here's some more boxes. This is the loft area. Here's Jessica's room, office, craft room. It also has a walk-in closet, which currently just has an air conditioner in it. And then here's my office. I got the desk set up, but I'm still going through some stuff and trying to sort out everything. Here's my closet, also a walk-in closet. This is going to be great for holding all my camera gear. And I got plenty of space, unlike the last place, our condo. I didn't have a separate room for a desk, but now I have room for 2 and 3D printers and a bunch of other stuff. So this is really nice. It is pretty hot up here, so we may get a mini split. I think that'll be one of the things we buy here in the next month or so. Here's our basement. Let me take you down here. So right here is Ethan's bathroom, or the downstairs bathroom. So it's got a really cool looking shower that's round, and this door kind of just goes over like that. I really like this shower. I think it's really cool. This is where the theater is going. Currently we're doing some work. I took down the paneling here, and they're trying to find the water access. I didn't find it, but more boxes to unpack. But that's where the theater screen is going to go. We're going to turn this room into a nice looking theater. I got full room curtains here to block off this part of the house, so it's like kind of its own separate area, and we can really black it out for movies and stuff. It feels really good down here. Upstairs is really hot, so we're gonna have to figure that out, but plan is to put those curtains up right here and all the way across to create the theater. Here's Ethan's gaming room. Not at all set up yet, but this is just one of his rooms. He's also going to have a separate bedroom, which over here is his bedroom. And it's a pretty small room, but that's all he needs since he has two separate rooms. He can kind of spread out. Then we got storage here. This is our exercise room. And we already got the squat rack set up with the bench, all the weights, exercise bike, elliptical, and treadmill. The homeowners left this one and that one, the elliptical and the treadmill, which is really nice. Bought this from my friend Shannon. Thank you for that. Got a good deal on that, so we can do squats or bench press, whatever we want to do. Exercise. We are going to put a TV here with a swivel mount. I need to order some of those so we can get that set up, but that way we can do Apple Fitness and stuff. Got our fridge down here, and that's pretty much the whole house. Let me take you out to the backyard. So here we go. Here is the deck, which here comes my puppy dog. Pretty good sized deck with a little outside bar and just a little seating area back here, and a gazebo with a pool in the backyard. So it needs some work. The backyard definitely needs to be landscaped. We'll do that next spring probably, or the next couple of years. But that's it. There's a pool. I'll show you that again in the summer. Got a yard over here. Nice privacy fence all around. Good for Oreo. But yeah, this is going to be a nice little area for us to hang out in. We're going to hang a TV over there, looking at a 75 to 85 inch, something around that size. And a big huge sectional is going to go right here. So it'll be really neat. And our tree for Christmas is going to go right up here. We're looking at maybe getting a 9-footer. I don't want anything too big, but I think it'll look good. That's it. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because it's going to allow me to create a lot more content and a lot more videos. So yeah, it's the first time this place has been on cam so far. Alright, and the final thing to show you, I did finally get the theater room all cleared out, and we got the projector hooked up. I got a mount for this. It's upside down right now, but I got a mount to mount this to the ceiling, the projector. I'm gonna take that bracket off right here, which was for their TV from the previous homeowner. But I'm getting all my surround sound set up. I got my full room curtains now. This is the opposite side. I'm standing against the wall. The curtains are about a foot short from the floor, so I did order some new ones, and they'll be coming in Friday, I believe. But same exact thing, just a little longer, so that'll be nice. This is just to black out the room. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the projector real quick so you guys can see that. It's kind of hard to see on camera. Let me turn the lights off, and then you'll see how bright it really gets. There we go. Again, this is a work in progress. I still have quite a bit to do to the theater, but here's that. Let's go over to, actually, let's just go to the screensaver. So, doesn't do it justice on camera, but it's amazing. It's about a 120-inch screen, and it's a BenQ 120 hertz gaming projector, so we can play games in that big screen. And let me sit down. This is what it looks like on the couch. There we go. Let's turn the ISO down. There you go. That's a little better. There's my Grizzly review video. This will be a great place to preview my YouTube videos and stuff, so can't wait for that. But more content to come. If you want to see more e-bike content, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload. I will be putting out a ton of content over the next couple months. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.